Hi there, my name is Olivia, and today I will show you how to manage coaching assignments in the client portal in CoachVantage. As a client, you may have to manage and submit assignments that your coach assigns you. When a coach has sent you an assignment, you will receive an email that looks like this. To view a coaching assignment from your dashboard, click One-on-One Coaching on the left-hand side of your screen. In the In Progress tab, select the program you're currently enrolled in. This will bring you to the Program Management page. Click Assignments on the left-hand side of the submenu. It is in this window where you can view your assignments, and you can click on an assignment for more information about it. Now, let's discuss managing an assignment. When an assignment is first created, its default status will be not started. You or your coach can easily change the status of an assignment to in progress or completed as you progress through it. For example, if I click on this assignment, you will see that I can simply change the status by clicking Not Started, and a drop-down menu will appear. When you change the status of an assignment, an email notification will automatically be sent to your coach. Adding files to an assignment is easy. Simply press the plus Add Files button here, and you have the option of uploading a document from your resource library. If you select Yes, you will see what's already in your resource library and have the ability to upload it here. Or alternatively, you can also upload a file not in your resource library. If you select this option, a pop-up window will be displayed where you can add a file from your local drive or other sources like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, etc. Once you've found the file you would like to upload, be sure to press Add. You also have the option of inputting a message. The message could be a short description of what the file is about, and it will be displayed next to the file name. When you're ready, select Save to upload the file. Fantastic! The file has been added and an email has been sent to your coach. You can see the PDF that I have successfully uploaded here in addition to the message. You also have the option to either delete an uploaded file by clicking on the trash icon or downloading the file by clicking here. Now, let's look at how you can add comments to your uploaded file to an assignment. To do this, type in your comment here in the text editor and then select Add Comment. Your comment will be added to the assignment. The comments section allows for you and your coach to communicate with each other about the progress of your assignment. An email notification will be sent automatically to your coach whenever you add a comment. Now, let's take a closer look at completed assignments. To go back to all of your assignments, simply click the All Assignments button here. When an assignment is marked as completed by you or your coach, it will be automatically moved to the Completed tab here. To view all completed assignments, simply click on the Completed tab. If you wish to change your assignment, you can also edit it. To do this, simply click on the assignment and edit your files, add a comment, or even change the status by clicking the drop-down menu here. And that's it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this video on how to manage your assignments in the client portal in CoachVantage. We wish you the best of luck completing your assignments. Have a marvelous day ahead.